10 foods to help prevent and reverse a fatty liver. A fatty liver, also known as steatosis, is a condition in which excess fat builds up in the liver cells. While a small amount of fat in the liver is normal, having too much can lead to serious health problems, including liver inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to prevent and reverse a fatty liver, including making changes to your diet. Here are 10 foods that can help. Leafy greens. Greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and low in calories. They also contain antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Some good options include almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Berries. Berries are high in antioxidants and have been shown to improve liver function. They can also help reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are high in fiber and can help lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Lean proteins. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish are low in fat and can help improve liver function. They are also rich in essential amino acids that the body needs to repair and rebuild tissues. Avocado. Avocado is high in healthy monounsaturated fats and has been shown to improve liver function in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Olive oil. Olive oil is a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. Garlic. Garlic has been shown to have liver protective effects and can help reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels. Green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants and has been shown to improve liver function and reduce inflammation. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve liver function. In addition to including these foods in your diet, it's also important to limit your intake of sugary and fatty foods and to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Exercise and maintaining a healthy weight can also help prevent and reverse a fatty liver. Remember, if you're concerned about your liver health, it's important to talk to your doctor or a healthcare professional for guidance. They can help you develop a plan to improve your liver health and prevent or reverse a fatty liver. Signs and symptoms of fatty liver. Fatty liver, also known as steatosis, is a condition in which excess fat builds up in the liver cells. It is a common condition, and it can affect people of all ages, including children. In some cases, fatty liver is benign and causes no symptoms, but in other cases, it can lead to serious health problems, including liver inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. Here are some common signs and symptoms of fatty liver. No symptoms. In many cases, fatty liver causes no symptoms at all. This is why it is often referred to as a silent disease. Abdominal pain. Some people with fatty liver may experience abdominal pain or discomfort on the right side of the body, near the liver. Fatigue. Fatigue is a common symptom of fatty liver. This can be caused by the liver not functioning properly or by other underlying health problems. Weight gain. People with fatty liver may notice that they have gained weight, especially around the waist. Nausea. Some people with fatty liver may experience nausea or vomiting. Itching. Fatty liver can cause itching, especially after bathing or showering. Yellowing of the skin and eyes. In severe cases of fatty liver, the liver may not function properly, leading to a buildup of bilirubin in the blood. This can cause the skin and whites of the eyes to turn yellow, a condition known as jaundice. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to talk to your doctor or a healthcare professional. They can help determine the cause of your symptoms and provide appropriate treatment. Conclusion. In conclusion, fatty liver is a common condition in which excess fat builds up in the liver cells. It can affect people of all ages and can range from benign to serious, with the potential to cause liver inflammation, scarring, and even failure. While there is no specific treatment for fatty liver, Making lifestyle changes, such as eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight, can help prevent and reverse the condition. If you are experiencing any symptoms of fatty liver or are concerned about your liver health, it is important to talk to a healthcare professional for guidance and treatment.